Avoid overtrading and minimize losses in trading. Welcome back, traders. Today, we are going to discuss one of the most common pitfalls in trading: overtrading. We can all agree that overtrading often leads to significant losses. So, what's the solution? Let me sum it up in one line. Solution to overtrading: only focus on trades that meet all your confirmation points and checklist criteria according to your trading strategy. Wait for these criteria to align before taking any entry positions. Visual aid: this means you might find yourself taking fewer trades throughout the day, maybe just one or two, or even none at all. But remember, trading less is often better than incurring losses. Quality over quantity: when you take fewer trades, you have the opportunity to focus on selecting high-quality trades that align with your strategy. In trading, it's not about the quantity of trades you take, it's about the quality. Key takeaway. So, here's the key takeaway. Avoid overtrading, prioritize quality over quantity, and remember that taking fewer trades can lead to better results in the long run. Focus on those trades that align with your strategy, and you'll be on the path to success in the world of trade.